How to deactivate and activate automatic child lock for Panasonic microwave oven NN-SN68QB. After heating or cooking the microwave oven, the automatic safety child lock feature will activate. Do not push the door release button on the bottom right. To open or unlock door, press the door open button first, then press the door release button on the bottom right. Now demonstrating on microwave oven. Auto lock is activated at the end of cooking. Press door open. Press door release button at the bottom right. If you do not want the automatic door lock feature to activate after every use, it can be turned off. However, deactivating this feature is not recommended. It is designed to lock automatically after its use to help prevent burns, by accidentally accessing or operated by children or anyone unfamiliar with its use when removing hot food or beverages after cooking. This is required by law. To deactivate, press the following buttons in sequence if the microwave oven has not been operated or after it has cooled down. Press turbo defrost, timer, clock, less, popcorn, one after the other. Now demonstrating on microwave oven. To deactivate, press the following buttons in sequence if the microwave oven has not been operated and or after it has cooled down. Press turbo defrost, press timer clock, press popcorn. To reactivate the automatic child lock, you can repeat the steps by pressing the same 3 buttons in sequence. Press turbo defrost, press timer clock, press popcorn. A flashing line will appear above the key symbol on the display which indicates auto child lock is reactivated. Note: if there is a power outage or the microwave oven power cable has been unplugged, the automatic child lock feature will default back to activate. You will be required to repeat the steps to deactivate the child lock.